SAFERIDE ATV and UTV safety training bring you another do-it-yourself project for your ATV or UTV. Hi, Wes Meyer here. One of the things I wanted to be able to do with my Can-Am Outlander 1000 was to be able to put a trickle charger on it, just to keep it up, ready to go whenever I'm wanting to go riding. So I did a couple of modifications quite some time ago, and I wired in on my battery a couple of extra ports where I can come in and plug in either a charger. I can set up extra lights. I can run a spotlight for night cruising if I want to do that. So I'm going to show you where I did this and how I went about doing it. So on this Outlander, the battery is located underneath the seat compartment. So I took off the back seat in the front, and then that gives you access to the battery here. So the first thing I did was attach a pigtail from the hot lead and then also from the negative lead. This is in a quick disconnect mode, so there is a quick connect point right there. And then from there it goes underneath the cowling to the side. I did purchase on Amazon a 2-lead side mount charging port. Relatively inexpensive. I don't remember the amount, but I drilled a hole, half-inch hole through the cowling, and then it's got 4 screws. I mounted that, and that allows me to plug anything I want in there. Now I purchased a Black & Decker trickle charger. This will do 6 volt and 12 volt. And then basically I can just plug that in to the unit and then plug it into the wall outlet, and you're ready to go charge. Now the package, the Black & Decker package, came with these 2 alligator clips. So if you don't have this port, you can connect it directly to your battery if that's what you choose to do. I also installed this on my daughter's 2017 Polaris 570 Sportsman. On this one, the Black & Decker also has with it a quick connect to your battery that has the little circular terminals on there. And what I did is I had to reach up underneath here, take the cover off, and add the pigtails off of the battery. It's a bit of a pain to get in there with the Polaris. It's hard to reach in there with your hands, but anyway, have the positive, and then on the other side of the brake fluid container, the negative is a little pain in the butt to get to, but I did it. It comes out, and then there's the 2-prong connector. So that just hangs there. It has a dust cover on it. So when you're ready to charge it up, you just take that and plug it into the charger and then plug it into the wall, and it'll trickle charge that. So I have one on each one of our machines. If you found the information in this video helpful, please like, share, and be sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already joined our channel. We will be sharing more videos shortly.